Good morning, everyone. Come with us to hit a day out on the St. Johns River, but first, farm chores. Sounds about right. Good morning, everybody. Peanut, Heath, Reese, Black, Sugar, Lulu, Coco, Milky. She's seeping over there. Oh. Everybody's awake and ready to eat. The sun is up.
Look, you guys get hooked up today.
Oh, hey. Welcome to the chaos.
Can you push that down?
Absolutely. Excuse me. Here you go, my little bottle boy, chiggy boy. All right, you guys have fun today. Oh, Mr. Brown, Blondie, Girl Turk. We have one more guy. Let's go see if we can find him. Filbert. Hi, girls. Good morning. Ooh, my handsome Copper Moran. But that's my lovely boy, Filbert there. He's dumb, but we love him. These are all my ladies. Look at all those chickens. Isn't that the saying they say these days? I got over 30 in here. I don't really know how many exactly. Kind of scary. Now we finally head out with the boat to the St. Johns River to have some fun.
Don't need that on the boat.
Nope. Got the plug in? Pick your trash up. Come on, girlie, let's load up. Let's ride. Welcome back to HTD Outdoors. Back on the St. Johns River. Only in one boat today, though. Gonna go find some fish today, see what we can catch.
Got a specialty of bluegill, some warmouth, maybe some spotted sunfish, maybe a catfish. Heidi's really good at catching the catfish, the spot that I got going on over here. So let's see, stand by. We're gonna cook them for dinner. See y'all. Fish on.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Is that a bass?
I think so.
Nope, big old cat.
Oh, yeah.
Our net.
All right, I can net.
Just right in the boat. Hurry. Yeah.
Woohoo!
There we go.
How about that?
Swallowed it.
Talk about who catches the catfish now. Yeah. Holy guacamole.
Y'all stink.
I got it. He barely ate that thing. Nice fish.
Man.
Look at his scar. Something tried to get him. Dang. What is that? Another one? Woohoo!
Here we go.
Yeah, buddy. Excuse me. Ooh, I should probably bring some worms with me. Watch out. I'm going to the bank.
Right off of that tip of that corner, if you can get over there.
Okay. You girls stay. Stay.
There we go.
Yeah, that's the cat we want. Nice.
Why he doesn't have the water?
I gotta watch for gators. Gotta watch for snakes. But you do what you gotta do when you're trying to catch a fish. You know what I mean? Here we go.
Joe. I guess I'm not going down there. Yeah. Joe, come here. Come here. Free bones. Here you go. Hey. What do y'all think about that? Look at all the bones over here, huh? Where'd that come from? Hey, you can stay in the water behind me. Can't keep them out of it. What you got, girl? Huh? Who's got the rib? Huh? What are you doing? Not past here. Go on.
Oh. Just nipping at my worm. Need to put a freshie on. Oh yeah, stole my bait. Look at that. Dang, empty hook. Stole my bait. Well, that wasn't a good toss. Try that again. Load up.
Here you go.
Oh, yeah.
Another cat daddy.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, that's a good one.
Yep. Eating good.
Woo! We eating good tonight. Oh my God, thank you. How about that? I literally just put this out there. Already caught a fish. A good one too. Another cat. We're in the cat hole. Oh my God, that's gonna be so good. Straight to the grease. Guess we're having a fish fry tonight.
Sir. Oh God, that's the spot. They're getting fired up now.
Yeah. Swing and a miss. These things don't like to spit that hook easy. I want my bait back too. There we go. Thank you. Into the bucket. Same piece of bait. Let's see how many fish I can catch on this same piece of bait. See if I can put it right in their mouth again. Oh, that's money. That's the spot, dude. Look, I'm over here in my own little spot, and look who comes with me as I catch a fish. Ooh, I think they just took my bait. They didn't have my hook. They just ate the worm hanging off.
Someone's got to watch the dogs, and it ain't
Look,
you.
look who came and tried to steal my spot.
I caught the first 3 fish here.
From the boat. How about that? Gotta get these tails up on the hook so they don't just eat the worm. They take your hook too. Look at them girls. Hard to keep them out of the water. Oh, little baby. What did we get? Oh, bluegill. Nice. Throw this one back. He's a little small. Thank you. I'm gonna still use the same piece of bait. Just gotta rehook it up on there. No need to waste. Oh, that's a better fish right there. That's a cat daddy. Oh no, just a nice brim.
Nice.
Whoa, yeah, buddy. Thank you. Nice hook set too. Come on, old son. There we go. Into the bucket.
They only like yours. They don't like mine.
I'm still using the same piece of bait. See if I can catch another one. That same piece of chunked up worm. They still liking it. Somebody might just have stole it though. Come on. Little guys.
Hey y'all, out here on the dock, the back of the house, little cleaning station. Do all of our meats out here, throw it right in the pond when we're done. Got a couple fish to clean up. Nice little bluegill. Couple channel cats. Eat those whole. Well, you did get them.
I told you. Have some in the pond.
The old dog's after him. Montana Knife Company knife. Got a few of them. This is my go-to. This is the Bearded Butcher 6-inch boning knife, but I use it for everything. Go ahead and get these catfish. Show y'all how we do it. Cut the skin around. Don't take those out yet. That one's gonna end up in the pond next. These little handy dandy pliers. Grab that skin, start peeling it off. Best part about back here, right in the pond, feed the turtles and fish.
And dogs.
And dogs, apparently. Can't tell the dogs like the pond. They are always in there. Can't keep them out. These little ones we're gonna fry up whole, so just gonna leave them like that, take the guts and head off and fry them with the fins and all. Just scoring it right behind the head, right where the head meets the back. Get a hold of it. Start peeling it back. Get it peeled back like that. There we go. First one of the day, the biggest, as always. Some people say they don't like the catfish, but that's one of our favorite out of the St. John's. We went brim fishing this morning, ended up with more catfish than brim. Probably how it usually goes. Now these big ones, we just fillet the rest of the way. Best eating meat right there. right into the pond. Turtles love it. Now these, we just go ahead and pop the spine, rip the head, pull the guts. Give that a little rinse out. It should go in the hot grease just like that. It's hot out today. Got a couple brim today, but we only kept this one. Released the other ones to the pond or back where we were catching them. Go ahead and use this, scale them up. Some people use a spoon if you got a spoon. I just got some of these, they're old school. My grandfather used to use them all the time and I still got them. All them scales off. Rinse them up. Come in here with your Montana Knife Company knife. Right behind the gills, right behind that fin. Cut off like that, pull the guts out, toss the head. I cut this bottom fin off. That's just me. Catfish pliers get right out. Spray it off. We'll be ready to cook in a little while. All right, y'all, we got the fish cleaned up. We're gonna be having them for dinner tonight. It's hot, the dogs are in the pond. So we said, you know what? That's where we like to cool off too. We're gonna get to it.
Adios.
Feels like 102. All right, time to eat. Got the fillets chopped up. Little Zatarain's fish fry. Got the grease at 365. I like them whole. Heidi likes them filleted. Give them a little shake and get them in there. After we cleaned these this afternoon, put them in some buttermilk, stuck them in the fridge. Get it nice and coated. Get that grease warm back up. Drop them in. Grass-fed beef tallow. It's all we fry in these days.
Yum. This is like our 10th or 11th time using this same beef tallow. It lasts so much longer than any of like the peanut oil or whatnot, and it just tastes so much better. But after this fish fry, I would probably have to start a new batch of the beef tallow. The goats smell that we're cooking fish too. Hi, babies. If only you could smell through the camera. Just rained here too, so it's actually not blazing hot outside. It's probably in the 70s, upper 70s, so it's beautiful out. Enjoyable. The bugs aren't thick yet, the flies aren't bad. Thankfully it did us a little bit of rain. Well, we caught it, we cleaned it, we cooked it, and now we're gonna eat it.
It's good, y'all. Enjoy.
First bites.
Mm.
I gotta have a little ketchup in mine. Oh my God.
Swimming this morning. Taking a bath in hot grease tonight.
Amazing. Y'all stay tuned. Check out our next video.